target power trigger trade. All right, people, I want to show you a great gains, 100% gains in JPM. It all started from this post July the 16th. I call stocks like JPM like slow gainers for me. Like in my stream, 100% gains. We do this in a day. Sometimes hundreds of percent gains, but then we got to do some slow gainers and 100% gains. Let's take a look at this JPM. I'm going to go into this video over here. So here, July 16th, I posted the plan on PowerGroupTrades. So here we can see here my plan that was written here. You can see here the 16th of July. JPM is set up to test 115 to 116. Well, people, what have we done? What have we done? We were 50 cents away from 116. The August 17, 110 calls could be used. I will say, that's right, people. So what I explained in the video was that I was going to post the confirmation inside of PowerGroupTrades for a JPM. And at the time, as you could see, the options did cost about $270. Okay, it didn't really take much for this to confirm. So let's go take a look at the confirmation that I posted inside of PowerGroupTrades. Let's take a look, people. All right, so people, here we are in PowerGroupTrades, July the 18th. JPM confirming with the August 17, 110 calls at 290. You can buy this also higher, but let me show you what I said in the plan first. Sorry, let me show you what I said in the plan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the plan that I posted. This took a few days to confirm, right? And then of course the option values would drop a little bit, but they still cost a bit more. Let's open this up here. So I said JPM needs to break over 111 to confirm. So it didn't have to go up a lot, okay? Basically, that's all we needed to do. But the key was to us make a plan, understand targets, in which I've accomplished. And this is what I'm about. This is called big picture thinking. Little baby scalpers like the stock bookie, stock clown can't do this stuff. Penny stock traders can't do this kind of vision. They are baby traders, I call them. No skill. This is skill. Learn and grow. 100% gains. Doubling your money in a few weeks. And I do this all the time. All the time. Let me show you. Let me show you. So then again here, I'm talking about the confirmation, confirming, right? And if you wanted to wait for it to go a little over 130, you could. But I'm holding this as a long-term play. I explained. And of course, power trigger trade, correct. Let's take a look at the video now. Let's take a look at the conference. Let me show you the end result here, and then I'll give you some more information. All right, I just want to record these 100% gains in these August 17, 110 calls. As you can see, they are right now $590. And in fact, these actually hit $600, so greater than 100% gains, because you see the high was 15.59. So I assure you, I mean, with my eyes closed, I mean, this thing hit before, like right now it's 12. This hit that high like around 10:36. If we go, let me show you here. Let's go to the 3-minute chart here. And you can see that that's where we hit, right? There's the high several times. So when we hit those movements, I mean, and then of course they're popping it back. But anyways, $1,600 here, just for you to learn and grow. Don't be a stock clown. Be a big picture thinker. So let's get back to the video. But as you can see here, again, you can see now that it ticked up there. You see, 590. You see the options here. You see here. You can see them. The 110 calls 5.95. Right. Okay. So again, these hit. I can assure you hit a high of $600 an option. The August 2018. The August 17 110 calls. $595 $600. But here you can see 595. We'll leave it at that. Gain a little greater than 100% gains. And there you have it, people. A big picture thinking, a big picture scales. And so you can see here right now, see, 12.17. With your eyes closed, you could pick at least 100% gains and hold some runners still. You understand, stock clown? You have to have skill. You have to have skill, and you clearly do not. Back to the video, people. All right, people, welcome to PowerGroupTrade Confirmation is Key. You want to get yourself inside of PowerGroupTrades. Listen to me. You got to read this pin tweet video. You got to use your brain. Every single video I explain what to do, right? So you read the pin tweet video. See, there's a lot of stock clowns out there, destined for failure. When you have a leader, a big picture expert showing you the path. Let me show you power target. Listen, I know losers. Okay, there's a tons of losers out there. I know what if you can't get into my group, you're a loser. Loser! All right now. Welcome to PowerGroupTrades. You got to get the welcome screen. Let me pause. All right, people, welcome to PowerGroupTrades. Listen up, people. See my live stream. If you want to learn how to become a member inside of PowerGroupTrades, I explain it always in my live streams in the beginning. I've been doing this for the past month or so. So if you can't get inside or you're baffled, I call you a clown. And I don't want you. You clown, get away. Second of all, you want to study my created playlist. You want to understand what I'm about. Then try to, again, do my steps and get yourself in. Again, you should be studying this stuff. Don't follow anybody without understanding what they're doing. Why would you want to get involved? You need to trust what I'm saying. All right, I'm saying I got tons of winning plans. Tons. Amazon's, Google L. Look at this one over here. The Google L double whammy graded for. Let's go to my website. You want to see another thing? Go to my website here, PowerGroupTrades. Let's go quickly together. Okay, I want to show you something. Look at this. In May, okay, 600% gains. One of my members sent me a $1,000 gift. Check out this video. Study this video. Study what I explained throughout the year. I'm the big picture expert. I've been calling it correct. If you want to be a little clown, don't expect to make it in my group. I know clowns. I've been doing this for. There are so many people I kicked out of my group. It's not. All right, people, if you don't have an account, subscribe. If you don't have one, get one, subscribe manually. If you have one already, I'm going to speak to you at the end of this video one-on-one. I'm going to explain you how to get inside of how to subscribe to this channel. I make it so easy. Again, study, become a follower on PowerGroupTrade. Oh, by the way, quickly, I'm going to go here quickly. What you should do is also on my website. What you do is you go to my home page. I make this pretty dummy proof, but you can subscribe. It's right at the moment. I'm going to get this fixed, but at the moment, go to my subscription. And at the bottom of the page, you put your name, email address, subscribe. I'll be sending messages. So, let's see what I say. All right, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my creative playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on PowerGroupTrades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions. And I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like